Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to enhance your vehicle's security by installing the Smart Keyless Protector into a Porsche Cayenne key fob. This is your best defense against relay attacks. First, remove the emergency mechanical key and gently pry open the side casings. Remove the original battery. In your kit, you'll find a specialized CR2032 battery. This battery is slightly thinner than standard ones, specifically designed to ensure a perfect fit once the protector chip is attached. Now, wrap the Smart Keyless Protector chip around this slim battery. As soon as you do, you'll see a flashing red light on the chip. This light confirms that the protector is active and functioning correctly. Place the assembly back into the fob with the chip facing the contacts. Secure the battery cover back in place and snap the side panels until they click. Finally, reinsert the mechanical key. Now that the installation is complete, here is how it protects you. Once you place your key down and leave it stationary for 3 minutes, the chip automatically cuts the power, making the signal invisible to thieves. As soon as you move the key, the chip instantly restores full functionality, and your Porsche is ready to go.